Hello everybody, welcome to Portal episode 4. Today last episode we finished off here with these two turrets. Now I realize my mouse sensitivity is going to break my fingers in. So yeah, let's get back to it. I've got a horrible cough. Oh well. Oh. No, I'm totally not still there. You can't see me. Stupid thing. I'm not sure whether it's safer to go for. No, I already did. Right. There's a portal there. Is that accurate? Accurate enough, right? Right. Oh God. Right. Prepare for immense gore. Everyone who's kind of young, look away. Oh God. Can I have portal in my board? No, can't. Damn it. Right. Okay. They'll be lost forever. Haha. Right, here we go. Whoa! Oh God. Okay. All you gotta do is you gotta fire a portal here and do the exact same thing coming here as it's going. Ah! Okay. That works. Like, where are you? Here. I know. You're. Ow. Quit it. What? Ever wanted to see cubes? Cubes. Lots of them. And a radio. Woo. That was deliberately. That was not deliberately. My coughing is all set to the tune of that. Next minute. Oh! I am amazingly bad at this game. Okay. This one I didn't hit. Damn it. Why do I keep missing? I'm not there. No. I'm not there. I'm not there. Oh wait, I think we got. Wow, I'm not well. Oh God. Wait, because I'm not there. Then it's a case of telling him we have to get. Is the has the has the cape gone inside me? It has. Wow. Trying to blast. What does that mean? Oh God. No one. Rest assured. Ooh. Alright, let's put a crossfire. That makes no sense. Because normally they can't see through portals. No, I'm not. Even though you can hear this, go away. Thank you. Let me kill you. Thank you very much. Stick this on here. And realize that was a trap. Here we go. That's him dealt with, not in the best of ways, but at least he's done. Okay, he's facing that wall, not a problem. Stick up here, fire that there, fire this here, go through this, and knock him over. Didn't take me that long. I'm just kidding, basically. Android Hell is a real place. Wow, my phone is probably there right now. Really bad cough. So yeah. And just... Yes. Yes! The companion cube! Stu, I can't wait! Hurry up already! Come on, come on! No! It's the companion cube! Yeah, sure. Basically, half the people here, quite a lot of them, anyway, having never played Portal, and I'm like, whoa, what, this is a cube. Yes, but you're going to love the cube because it loves you. It's different to all the other inanimate objects in the game. Please don't hit me, please don't hit me. Thank you. Choosing to not hit me. Can't speak here. Okay, interesting. Looks like this one's gonna burst on it from you want to go. Hope that went straight on. That's fine. I have not even the slightest clue as to how you do this one. I just wanted to get back down there. Just in case that hit me. Put it out. And I made the portal. You're gonna cough, losing up a bit. Let's see if go. Let's go. Come on. Oh, apparently I just made it. The cube has a burn inside of it, although the cube doesn't appear to care. Right. Let's do this one first. Amazing. Or what I decided I wanted to less of. In risk of dying. But I didn't die, so it's okay. How to do this one is something I'll temporarily forget. Just can I leave that on there like that? But I gotta go on like the literal very edge of this button. It's kind of annoying. Alright, so wait. Where's that portal? Alright. Let's go in there. It's gonna come out of the orange one, isn't it? We'll fly right in there. Resulting in giving me not even slightly enough time to get myself on the button. And it killed me. Amazing. Did it, then I needed to be kind of precise. So it took a while. So wait, okay. So there's no spawn there then? Oh. Wait, gotta go up here first. Do this. Oh, and due to popular request, I'm going to do this. Wait, you guys have been asking me, and I don't want to keep you guys waiting, so here we go. What? Oh. Toss my nose. Oh. Wow. Okay. You're really taking control of my body today. I'm Cough headquarters run by Spinning Brim. Why can I see that happening, and why is that the only enthusiasm? Oh my god, that almost hit me. Oh my god, it's almost going to hit me again. Right, now we go and stick this one up by bomb. Wait, put yourself the orange portal here, and we're done. Now let's get our companion cube. Because that is the one thing that we cannot forget throughout this chamber. Go in here, go in here, go in here. Yay! Anyway, guys, gonna end the video here. I've been Spinning Brim. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!